At the Peace and Security Summit, the point was adequately made that bullets and bombs will not resolve the ongoing war against terrorism, armed insurgency, and violent crimes in Nigeria. The children of the poor that we fail today to educate, including yesterday and even today, have become and will become the nightmare of the children we are training. The frustration of our fellow compatriots who are illiterate, unskilled, jobless, and devoid of the shock absorber of social protection will ultimately be the graveyard of not only peace in our country, but also civilization as we know it today. This is not sounding as alarmist, but this is the real situation. The fate of Nigerians who are fortunate to have jobs is not anything rosa. Many workers in Nigeria today, including those in public service, are not covered by any form of social protection cover, making their work heavily precarious. While most of the federal employees are covered by the contributory pension scheme, the lots of our workers in the employment of the states and local governments leaves very sore taste in the mouth of workers. I wish to send a note of caution to some members of our political elites who are already overheating the polity on the account of 2023 general election. A few weeks ago, precisely, on the 5th of July 2021, the Southern governors met in Lagos and demanded that power must go to the South in 2023. Just recently and precisely, last Monday, 27 September 2021, the Northern Governors Forum met in Kaduna and made a counter-demand that power must be retained in the North. As a national institution and a pan-Nigerian organization, the Nigerian Labour Congress experiences shock at such a statement from both North and the Southern political hemisphere of our country. It is indeed sad and unfortunate that our politicians find time and nerve to discuss 2023 when 2021 already presents a foreboding cloud of insecurity, social tension, and general despondency manifested in our empty kitchens, unsafe streets, and our overflowing IDP camps. We warn that such statement shows utter disregard for the cruel predicament and suffering of ordinary Nigerians and workers struggling with the pains of broken politics and governance, dysfunctional in our country. The 2023 election must not be used as an excuse to unleash fresh dimensions of irretrievable and insensitive security crisis in Nigeria. Therefore, it is important that the political class must mind what they say. So first, to say that visionary leaders think of the next generation, while dysfunctional system and leaders think of the next election. And therefore, we hope that we will be functional leaders. In summary, comrades, we demand for a new social contract, including universal social protection cover from our Nigerian political elites. Just as we did with the NLC National Peace and Security Summit, we promise to develop and publish a comprehensive report arising from this roundtable. The report will also be disseminated to various stakeholders as an advocacy document for necessary reform. Once again, comrades, Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Speaker, I welcome you all to this very important roundtable. Thank you, and may God continue to.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.